Hey guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to the channel of chilled, relaxed plant content where we talk about the good, the bad, the thriving, and the dying plants in our collection. We try to learn the best way to grow our plants so they live and grow how we want them to grow. If that sounds like something you're interested in, you'd like to contribute to, participate in, or you just want to hang out, hit the subscribe button. Let's be plant friends. So today I have some mail. I'm very excited. This is, I've ordered this from Etsy, and I ordered it from a shop called Something to Grow On. And I have three plants in here. And we're gonna open it up, and I'm gonna show you what they are. Alrighty. Okay, so, we open up and we get some fluff. Quite a bit of fluff. Okay, I see. Alright, throw the fluff. Get out of here, fluff. Alright, and then, okay, and they also have it taped down to the bottom, which is nice. Okay, we have all three of them. Alright, let's drop the box. All three of them together. Alright, so the first one I will show you. They're in, it looks like paper towels in little baggies. Okay, oh, I'm running out of hands here. So, I did mention I've been into pothos lately and collecting the different varieties. And so that's what this order is. So this is a Glacier Pothos. Very cute, very cute. I think this is just a cutting. We will see. Okay, we have a little bit of roots. It looks like it was in dirt prior to this, so, but one of the roots is like broken, but that's okay. So we have a little bit of roots going on. So we'll clean you off and throw you in water, let more roots establish. The tissue paper is still damp, not soaked, which is good. Okay, let's put you right there. Okay, and then the next two I have, one is the Emerald Pothos and one is the Global Pothos. Oh, and I can't remember which is which. I think I got the, was it the Global? I think this is the Global. Yeah, the Global one was the fuller plant that I ordered. I hope you could see. It has like the lighter green on the inside. You can see better on that leaf. And this should be like a fully established plant. We will see. There should be a decent amount of roots on this guy. Alright. The root reveal. Dun, dun, dun. And we have a decent amount of roots. I'd say that's a good amount of roots. We have a good little strand here. We can also cut this up and propagate that if we wanted to. I'm probably not going to right away. Again, it looks like it was in dirt, so we're going to have to clean that up and pop them in water. But it looks cute. It looks good. It's healthy. They're pothos. I wasn't worried about them traveling in the mail. They're usually really good about traveling. So if that is the Global, then I think this is the Emerald Pothos. And again, we have roots. Oh, there's actually two cuttings of this one. Okay, cool. And this one has the darker green on the inside and the lighter green on the outside. It's harder to see on this bigger leaf, but you can definitely see it on here. And we have some roots. We got a decent amount of roots right here. This little stem right here is starting to rot, so we'll probably just cut that off on both of them, honestly. Pop them back in water and watch them grow. So, are you guys collecting pothos? Yes or no? Which is your favorite pothos? I know the Marble Queen or the Golden is a very popular pothos. They're easy to get, and they're very rewarding to grow. But, you know, I also like all the different varieties. The Glacier one, I feel like, I don't know. I don't know enough about the Glacier one to know if it was if it's really any different than like the Enjoy or the Pearls and Jade. I have both of those too, so I figured let's try out the Glacier. It was, I think this cutting was $10, and I don't remember how much this was, but I think this cutting was $10. I was like, all right. I was getting these guys anyway, so I figured, all right, an extra $10. We'll see what this Glacier Pothos looks like, and yeah, maybe one day I'll do a full Pothos collection, and we can look up close and personal at the different types of Pothos, and you can let me know if you see a difference or not. But yeah, it was just a quick unboxing video. I got some Pothos. Yeah, I'm excited. I'm excited to see these guys grow. I know these guys should do well, and those are the types of plants I really want in my collection. I don't want anything that's hard or needs extra humidity or extra light. I don't have it in me to really to go that extra step, you know? I've got enough to be like these easy care plants. All right, I like these guys. Going beyond that is just too much. But anyway, yeah, beautiful Pothos. Let me know what your favorite one is. And until next time, relax, plant, and peace out.